Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the awesome looking Owell. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in just one big circle first. This will be for his head. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the beak first. So right in the middle of this circle, just draw one line. Come back to the top, we're going to flare this out. And then close this off. So this line should be a little bit shorter than this. So that's the beak, and then for the bottom, just kind of draw a little curve going from side to side. Alright, and then from here we're just drawing the eye, so go at a diagonal. In whatever space you have here, just draw a circle. Same thing on this side. And let me shade this in real quick. So I'll make this one all dark. This one I'll draw a circle and I'll just shade around it. Okay, and then for the eyebrow here, it's kind of mean looking. So just draw one slant right over the eyes. And then I'm going to turn that into a little bar. So just go up. And then for the cheeks, just come out to the side right here. Just draw 2 little egg shapes. And then now finally to finish up the face. So just start right around here in the middle. I'm just going to curve all the way out. So right over the eyebrows. Start right here. So this is going to be a different color. Okay, so that's the head, and then now for the hat. So right on top of this, just draw one big curve touching the top. And then we're going to give this some thickness. So start in the corner, we'll just go up. So a little bit thicker on the top. And then now we're going to continue up. So right around here. Okay, so just right above the eyes. This side's gonna, let's make it curve out toward this side a little bit more. Come back down and just close that off. Okay, and then for some details right here, just one big curve, just follow the same curve as this one on the bottom. And I think there's some kind of feathers here, right? I'm not sure what it is. So I'm just gonna draw like 2 little leaf shapes. You guys can probably tell me what that is because I couldn't tell from the images on the web. Alright, and then to finish up the hat right here, we're going to come back in, and this part is going to go behind the head. So right around here, right toward the eye, just come down. And then for his ear, just gotta draw one little curve going up, so we won't see the other side. All right, so that's the head. So now let's come down and draw the body. I'll make two little points here. Curve out, make it a little bit wider. It looks like there's two layers, right, on this dress right here. So I'm just gonna curve all the way around. And then on the bottom layer, pretty much the same thing, and you can start out in the middle first. Just draw a little curve and then just kind of close everything off with a wavy line. I hope I'm seeing that correctly too on the images on the web. All right, and then we just add some lines right here to make it look like folds. Same thing on the top, we can add some here. All right, so let's just go ahead and finish up the legs down here. So right in the middle, just drawing two lines coming down. Come over here, curve out, and then just close it off. So whatever you draw on one side, just try to draw the same thing on the other side. All right, and then now for the arms. So it's got a little bit of detail right here, the little feathers. Start right here. Just draw one little hook like this first. Continue this, just go out and then hook it back in. So same thing here. We're gonna have his arms out. And then now we're gonna draw in the claws right here. So I'm gonna come down here. Just one little hook like this. Curve up. Curve right around here. And then whatever space you have here, I'm gonna start right here. Here's the armpit. Just connect that. So it should be a little bit wider down here. Okay, come out here. Curve this part here and then curve up. And then again, same thing, just here's the armpit. Whatever space you have here, just connect that. And that is it for this Owell. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.